Mango, where are you going? Mango, where are you going? Mommy cannot see you. Come back. Mango, come back. You've gone to the foyer. Come back. Mango. Come back, Mango. Come back. Where's Mango going? Well, your Chick-a-dee's over here. Want Chick-a-dee? Come here. Come here, Mango. You want Chick-a-dee, right? You gotta come back. Where's Mango going? Where is Mango going? Mommy cannot see you. Mango. Mango, don't be in front of the door. Mango, where are you going? You're going to the foyer. You're looking for Chick-a-dee. Chick-a-dee's not there. Come back. Come back, Mango. Where are you going? Where is Mango going? Come back. You know you're not supposed to be here. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? You're not supposed to be here. Where are you going? What did Mango say? Mango, you're not supposed to be here. Where is Mango going? Where is Mango going? Come on, go back. Go back to your playset. Go back to your playset. Go. Come on. Go to your playset. There you go. You know your way back home. Go to your spiral spring. Now where are you going? Now where's Mango going? Where's Mango going? You're not going to the kitchen, are you? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you're going to the kitchen too. Now where do you want to go in the kitchen? You want to go exploring? You want to go to explore? You're not supposed to be here, Mango. What about Chick-a-dee, huh? Where are you going, Mango? You're not supposed to be here. Mango is not supposed to be here. When your daddy comes home, Mommy's going to show Daddy this. Well, thank you. You give Mommy kiss, but Mommy's going to have to show Daddy this anyway. Yeah, you can't bribe Mommy by giving you kiss. You went to the kitchen, the foyer. Mommy needs to tell Daddy then. One, two, three. Huh? Yeah, Isa? Well, thank you, but you're not supposed to be here, Mango. Where are you going? Where's Mango going? Where are you going? You came into the kitchen. That's a dangerous place. Go back home. Go back home. Come on, where's home? Where's home? Show Mommy. Yes, that's where you belong. Well, there you go again. You're wandering off in the foyer. Uh-oh. Come back, Mango. Come back. You're having fun. I know you're having fun. What did Mango say? Is Mango a good boy? 1. Does Mango want to count? Let's count, Mango. 1. Does Mango want to count? Let's count. 1. 2. We are counting. 2. Let's count. 1. You're busy, huh? You're busy. You don't want to count with mommy? Oh, you're busy. Where you go? Where did you go? Where did Mango go? You're running away. Elephant. You're looking for your elephant? Come on, let's count. 1. Let's count. 1. Does Mango want to count? Does Mango want to count? Mango doesn't want to count. Come here, Mango. Want to come to mommy? Come here. Come here. Want to come to mommy? Nope, you don't want to come to mommy. Well, go home then. Come on, let's go home. Let's go home. Which way is home? Which way is home? Which way is home? Where's your place at? Ah, you're wandering around here again. You're not going home, are you? You're giving mommy the runaround. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you went back to your place at. 1 flapping of the wing and you're right here. Is Mango a good boy? Come on, give mommy a kiss kiss. Thank you. Is Mango a good boy? You love pink, don't you? How about green? How about green bird? And red bear? You like them? Do you love them? Come on, give mommy a kiss kiss. Come on. You like your disco ball. I love you, baby. I'm tired of talking, huh? No more talking? You had quite an adventure there. Been going to the kitchen and the foyer. Wait till your daddy comes home.